Steve again with Arizona Blade Broker with another video review. Many of you will recognize this right off as being a Camillus pilot survival knife, and that's exactly what it is. Kind of an overlooked pick by a lot of people that are out there looking for survival knives or collectible knives or what have you. The big key on these is dating, okay? All of them made after I think it's starting during the Vietnam conflict, they started dating these. Now this isn't that old of a knife. This is a 1983. Let's see if I can zoom in on this so you can see the date. The dates are stamped into the X-shaped pommel there. So this is in 1983. It's in very good condition. I would argue maybe unused. It's, marginally sharp. I don't think they really sent these out the factory super sharp. But good solid basic, and even a 1983 version can have some value. This knife in this condition probably, I'll probably list this for sale at about $65–70 and should get that or a little bit more maybe. If this were a Vietnam era knife in this condition, this would be several hundreds of dollars. If it's prior to Vietnam, if it's Korean War, there will be no markings whatsoever. It'll just say Camillus. Okay? Now there's also another variation on this knife that you really want to watch for. Okay, and that is the 6-inch blade version. This one is a 5 and change, I believe. Yeah, about 5 and an eighth, 5 and a quarter. But there's a 6-inch blade version of this knife that at first glance is going to look basically the same, but it's worth considerably more. Couple easy, well, obviously they're bigger for starters, but one of the quickest ways to spot the 6-inch version is the sheath is different. The securing strap will be located around the bottom of the handle, right below the guard, as opposed to up here. And then there's like another, I think they actually took parts of this sheath or whatever and made a bigger sheath because it looks like it has an extra section of leather stitched in here to make it taller to accommodate the longer knife on the 6-inch ones. But that's how I've spotted them. I've bought them several times, and I can spot them walking by pretty quickly because I look for the snap around the bottom of the knife. So this one also has the anodized aluminum backing. Apparently these knives had a problem. If you jump down hard enough, or maybe if you're landing while you're parachuting, considering this was considered a survival knife, it's very possible that you might be parachuting out of an aircraft with this on your hip. They had a problem with this being propelled through the bottom of the sheath and stabbing the pilot in the leg. So that's what the backing is. Some of the first version of it only went up about this far, but then they quickly made them all the way up the back. And of course they come with a little stone, and being complete with the stone is pretty important to the value of these from a collectible standpoint, and this is the original equipment stone on it. So yeah, you can find this for sale on my eBay store at surplus-steve11 on eBay. We have the same handle on Gun Broker, where we sell automatic knives. Thanks for watching my video.